Hey there everyone, in this video of PTC Creo Parametric, I am going to talk about a very important concept that is really helpful to quickly get started, especially when we have some kind of relationship with previous developed part. For example, here I'm thinking of designing a lamp and I already have created interface of it in previous generation. Now I can use this feature known as copy geometry. From there, what I'm gonna do is I am going to pick my existing lamp and then I'm gonna say okay, and here I need to click on publish geometry reference. And now if I click here on publish geometry again, and if I select this particular reference which I need, because that's how I'm gonna get this already designed and developed locking mechanism. Now in a similar way, you can also choose other entities as given here, and then you can also define how you would like to assemble it. So if you click here on edit placement, then you can go with coordinate system or local coordinate system. Let's keep it simple and I'm gonna say default. Now let's click here OK, and there you go. Here we got the surface that I wanted to create my next product that can act as a building block. Now there is one good thing about this external copy geometry. Let's say if there is any change made in previous geometry, you can see here this particular model will also auto update. However, I would say totally depend on you. You can also click on no dependency or manual update if you want to manually update it, or if you want to simply make this particular geometry independent, and you can select no dependency. Now this particular feature is completely independent and I can quickly get started with it. And that's also wrap up this video. Hope that you find this video helpful and informational. If so, then please make sure you subscribe to Engineering Pritam to see more such videos related to various engineering topics. Till then, you take care and bye bye.